How to fix MovieSherlock for Mac not uninstalling. Option 1. Use the traditional method. Here are the steps to manually uninstall MovieSherlock for Mac. 1. Quit the MovieSherlock application if it is currently running. 2. Open the Finder and click on the Applications folder. 3. Locate the MovieSherlock app icon and drag it to the trash icon in the dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the app icon and select Move to Trash. Refer to the IMG below. 4. If prompted, enter your administrator username and password to confirm the uninstallation. 5. Open the Finder menu and select Go and then Go to Folder. 6. In the Go to Folder window, type /library/ without the quotes, and press Enter. 7. Locate and open the Application Support folder. 8. Find and delete any folders or files related to MovieSherlock. Repeat steps 5 to 8 but replace Application Support with caches and preferences to delete any related files or folders in those locations. Empty the trash to permanently delete all files related to MovieSherlock. Note, the steps may vary slightly depending on the version of Mac OS you are running. Option 2, use a shell script to uninstall MovieSherlock for Mac. Here is an example shell script that uses the built-in rm command to delete the MovieSherlock app and associated files, #bin/bash. #uninstall MovieSherlock #stop the app if it's running if grep x MovieSherlock /dev/null, then echo stopping MovieSherlock. Kill x MovieSherlock by #remove the app echo removing MovieSherlock. rmrf/application/MovieSherlock.app. #remove preferences and cache echo removing preferences and cache. rmrf/library/application/support/MovieSherlock rmrf/library/caches/com.tastyapps.MovieSherlock. Echo uninstall complete. Save the script in a plain text file with a .sh extension, such as uninstall-MovieSherlock.sh. Then open a terminal window and navigate to the directory where the script is located. To make the script executable, enter the command mod +x uninstall-MovieSherlock.sh. Finally, to run the script, enter the command /uninstall MovieSherlock.sh. The script will stop the app if it's running, remove the app, and delete any associated preferences and cache files.